Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover operator. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover arithmetic operators. There are mainly 5 arithmetic operators. That is, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus or remainder. In the next program, I am going to cover compound operators. There are mainly 5 compound operators. That is, compound addition, compound subtraction, compound multiplication, compound division, and compound modulus or remainder. In the next program, I am going to cover relational operators. There are mainly 6 relational operators. That is less than or equal to, not equal to, greater than, and greater than or equal to. In the next program, I am going to cover logical operators. There are mainly 3 logical operators, that is an operator, or operator, and not operator. In the next program, I am going to cover conditional operator. Conditional operator is represented as condition, expression 1, expression 2. That is, if condition 1 is true, then expression 1 will be returned, else expression 2 will be returned. In this program, if A is greater than B, then I am printing A. Else, I am printing B using conditional operator. In the next program, I am going to cover bitwise and shift operator. There are mainly 6 operators. That is bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise exclusive or, bitwise not, bitwise shift right, and bitwise shift left. In the next program, I am going to cover increment and decrement operator. There are mainly 4 operators. That is prefix increment, or increment and assign, prefix decrement, or decrement and assign, postfix increment, or assign and increment, and postfix decrement, or assign and decrement. In the next program, I am going to cover address of operator. We can get address of variable using ampersand variable name and %p conversion character. In the next program, I am going to cover operator precedence. First precedence is bracket or parenthesized expression, square bracket, or array subscript, dot, or member selection by object, hyphen greater than, or member selection by pointer, double plus, or postfix increment, and double minus, or postfix decrement. Second precedence is plus, minus, double plus, or prefix increment, double minus, or prefix decrement, exclamation, or logical not, tilde, or bitwise complement, asterisk, or indirection operator, ampersand, or addressive operator, size of, expression, or type, and typecasting. Third precedence is, asterisk, or multiplication, forward slash, or division, and percentage, or modulus or remainder. Fourth precedence is, plus, or addition, and minus, or subtraction. Fifth precedence is, double less than, or bitwise shift left, and double greater than, or bitwise shift right. Sixth precedence is, less than or equal to, greater than, and greater than or equal to. Seventh precedence is, equal to, and not equal to. Eighth precedence is, ampersand or bitwise and. Ninth precedence is, caret or bitwise exclusive or. 10th precedence is, vertical, bar or bitwise or. 11th precedence is, double ampersand or logical and. 12th precedence is, double vertical bar or logical or. 13th precedence is, conditional operator. 14th precedence is, equal, or assignment, compound addition, compound subtraction, compound division, compound multiplication, compound modulus, bitwise shift left, bitwise shift right, bitwise and, bitwise or, and bitwise exclusive or. And 15th precedence is, comma operator. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on C program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.